So does momnesia or pregnancy brain or baby brain really exist? Hey everybody, this is Dr. Dan with Peak Vitality. And if you're new to our channel, we specialize in fertility and generational health. We look at the gut, we do deep dives on the microbiome, we look at the immune system, looking at autoimmunity, and we really do a deep dive in those hormones and overall health to make sure that couples have the best chance to get pregnant, stay pregnant, and then that the mother and the child maintain their health long after that pregnancy. So one of the questions that we do get, and I was just having a conversation with a friend today because she's having some serious baby brain, is what's actually causing that. Now this is a little bit longer of a video. Stay tuned because the end of it is got some really cool information. So there was a study where they did a literature review. They looked at 20 different studies of women and they compared pregnant women with non-pregnant women, looking at their cognitive function, memory, and executive skills. And across the board, hands down, women who were pregnant scored lower on all of those. So there is definitely a change that's occurring. Now, some of that can be attributed to, sleep cycle changes, because you're definitely going to get some poor sleep. There's some fatigue associated with that, these hormone influxes, and then also changes in nutritional status and overall movement and energy. So, all of those things are going to contribute to lower or poorer cognitive performance. Now, what was really interesting, and this is what I was talking about, is there was a study in 2018, and it was called Brain Plasticity in Pregnancy and the Postpartum Period. And what they found were pregnant women have an overall reduction of the gray matter in their brain that lasts for 2 years after the baby is born. And they theorized that the body is clearing out some of these neural networks that are no longer serving the mother to make room for some of the changes in the brain that's going to occur that helps the mother bond with the baby. So super fascinating stuff. So what can you do about that? Well, you're going to get that natural occurrence, but the best thing you can do is prioritize sleep and do what you can do, get pillows, things to monitor or measure the temperature in the room, the temperature in the bed, to really keep it optimal levels. And there's bed covers and there's mattresses that'll regulate body temperature, and you get some of those special body pillows. But the other thing that you can do is prioritize movement and activity. But perhaps the most important thing you could do is that during pregnancy or before pregnancy is just get some really good lab work so you can see what your nutritional status is and keep your inflammatory factors low during that pregnancy, and that's going to help all the way through. Hope that helps.